Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, after so long, you guys, I am finally filming. Okay, so before we start the video, I do want to share with you guys my shirt, my Hocus Pocus shirt. Look at this, from yours truly. I will post my friend's boutique right here. You guys could purchase it there. I actually purchased my daughter the Stranger Things shirt. So yeah guys, so if you guys want to get your shirt, I will put the link right there. Okay guys, all right guys, so today's video is gonna be something completely different. Okay, now as you guys saw by the title, we are gonna be attempting to fix my Impressions Vanity logo. Let me explain to you guys what is going on with my mirror. Okay, so first of all, you guys, the mirror that I've been wanting was a Vanity Girl mirror, but they don't sell that no more. For some reason, they don't sell them no more. So I went to look into Impressions Vanity. Now you guys know Impressions Vanity is a very expensive vanity mirror company. You guys, I believe even like celebrities have this damn mirror. It's very pricey, right? Now you would expect for the prices for them to last for a long time, right? So okay, so this is what happened to mine. Okay guys, and I don't remember which one I have, but I have the one, I don't know if it's the extra large, you guys, but it was quite pricey, let me tell you guys. It actually has, you know, like a built-in like Bluetooth speaker, and you know, in a radio and all this stuff, you guys, which honestly, like, you know, like I don't even turn it on. I do not use the speaker on the Vanity because I just simply don't, because I like listening to my music loud and I'm doing my makeup, and I don't want to blow a damn speaker. Okay, upon purchasing this, there, you know, it does come with a little paper saying be very careful with the logo. Okay, the logo is like right in the center at the bottom of the mirror, so it does tell you to be very careful. Do not use alcohol or anything like that, or the logo will literally come off. Okay? If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did put like a little rant video, because after months of taking care of my freaking mirror, I sprayed it with glass cleaner. Well, it's not really much glass cleaner, but it's to clean your lenses, you guys. And you know, I was just trying to clean like a couple of little handprints of Noah's, and I'm not lying to you guys, one little speck of freaking like cleaner landed on the logo, and boom, the bitch was gone. Like it started like literally like, it was like, I don't want to say deleting because they don't make sense. It started like coming off. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god. So I panicked. You know, I just started getting something dry and just kind of like tapping it slowly, guys. But it was like, it was literally ruining the whole damn thing, right? Because of that, I went on Instagram and I did post, and I said, damn, for these mirrors to be this expensive, you would expect them to last a little bit longer when it comes to the logo. Am I right? So the logo, you guys have to be very sensitive. I would even, like, it tells you not to clean your mirror with alcohol, just with water. But honestly, guys, I'm even scared to put water because I'm scared that the whole damn thing's gonna come off. Okay, so what ended up happening is that part of the M, because it's Impressions, part of the M is already coming off. Like literally it's like wiped off. So it looks really weird. Okay, so that really bummed me out, you guys, because again, the mirror was not cheap at all. And for the damn logo to come off, I think that's some bullshit, you guys. So be very careful if you do decide to purchase an Impressions Vanity mirror. I know they seem beautiful and all this, but you're gonna have to take care of the logo for dear life, because you guys know that logo literally tells everybody it's an Impressions Vanity mirror. If that logo comes off, you can't have anything to prove it's an Impressions Vanity. Not that you guys have to, but it's like, you know, like, damn, this is my Impressions Vanity mirror. So that logo will come off. So you gotta be very careful. Okay guys, be careful. Me being bummed out because of this, you guys. My cousin, who has a little shop, I think it's called Palacios Creations on Facebook, she, you know, she reached out to me. She like, Prima, I could help you with that. Like, you know, I could make you like logo and we could fix it. And I was like, really? She's like, yeah. So she printed, you know, like a little, I think it's a decal, and I have it, guys. I need to go get it. And she's like, yes, you know, just tell me the size and all this. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be fixing the damn logo. I'm a little nervous, guys, because I am gonna be cleaning it off. And if this damn thing does not work, ya valió madre. My mirror is not gonna have the logo on it, okay? But the cool thing that she said is that, you know, she could put anything I want on the thing. Like, you know, I could even make it like almost like, you know, like a Halloween mirror, if you guys could tell on the back. So yeah, so we're gonna be fixing that right now, okay? So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna be flipping the camera and I'm gonna be showing you guys, okay? So I'll be back. Let me get everything ready and we're gonna fix this. All right, guys, so this is the logo, okay? Can you guys see this? Look at this. Now you guys could hear my dog in the back, but look at this, okay? That is the deleting. We're gonna be erasing all this and we are gonna be using the, you know, the little decal that my cousin gave me, okay, guys? Look at Palacios Creations, okay? Now, I never done this in my life, so we'll see how it works. She sent little stickers, you guys. Hold on. So let me show you. She sent over these little stickers. Look, it says home made with love. It has these little ones right here. Boba tea. These are really, really cute. So we are going to be fixing that up, okay, guys? Now, this is the new logo, which you guys could see it's a little bit more bigger. I barely noticed, but who gives a damn? Look at this. So it's a little bit more bigger, but who cares? Because look at this. This looks so ugly and there's no way. Now, trust me, guys, I actually messaged them. I emailed them and I asked them that is there a way that they could send me some kind of stencil or something like that. You know, I've been taking care of my mirror for some years now. I got this mirror when I was pregnant from Noah, you guys. Oh my God, it's just so sensitive. When I was pregnant from Noah, so it's been some years, okay? Well, it's been what, like 2 years? I want to say 2 years, okay? And they're like, we're sorry, we can't help you. So yeah, they couldn't help me. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh my God, she put this right here. Look at this. La Llorona. Yeah, that was me when I was crying for my mirror, you guys. And then this is her business card. Look, Palacios Gallardo. What the hell? Palacios Creations. Okay. Is there a fly in my room? I don't know. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be attempting to fix this. Now you guys already saw the damaged area right here. This just tells me the application. Clean application, carefully peel, okay, align. Use a what? Ensure decals fully add, okay. So we're gonna clean that up. Now remember, guys, upon cleaning that, it's probably gonna erase. So I'm just gonna get a wipe, okay? I'm gonna get a wipe and I'm gonna clean it. But look, it's not really doing anything. So I think what I'm gonna do is use some kind of spray. Pero no sé cuál usar. I really don't want to use. Okay, but we're gonna be using this one. This is my Cinema Secrets cleaner, you guys. Okay, and I'm gonna be cleaning it. This does have alcohol. So this is gonna probably, oh, it's not even erase. It's not even erasing nothing. Oh wait, it is. Look at that. Okay, well, let's see what we're gonna do, you guys, because this is just, let me see. Déjenme ver what I could do. All right, guys, I fully cleaned it, and to be honest, I don't even remember where the damn logo was. Okay, but I mean, I'm just gonna guide myself right here or something. I'll put it right there. All right, so we're gonna put it, we're gonna get it, the impressions, and let's see. So like I said, it says here, clean application surface and allow to fully dry, which is fully dried already. Carefully peel the, align the decal. Okay, so we're gonna peel it, you guys. We're gonna peel it. I've never done this in my life. It's right here. And we are gonna place it now because I have this damn thing here. And honestly, you guys, I have no idea exactly if I'm even like right in the middle. But So we're just gonna take this off. And I think we're gonna go like this. It says use a card like this. I don't know if I have a freaking card like a harder card. So it just says to go like this. Okay. Prima, if you're watching this, a ver si sale esta cosa. Okay, after it's done, ensure decals fully adhere, slowly peel away. Okay. So let's hope that it's fully there. Okay, and we're gonna slowly peel away, which I'll probably start peeling this way. And we're gonna see, you guys. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna do it softly, 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 softly. It says to do it slowly. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, you guys, I think I fixed it. Oh my god. And if you guys touch it, I mean, it's a little bulky, but who cares? Look at this. I mean, se mira medio chistoso. So that is the finished thing, guys. It's not that perfect because I'm seeing a couple of like, but it's fixed. Like, I could clean my damn mirror, which I'm not gonna clean it with alcohol, but it's like nothing's gonna erase, you know what I mean? So I was able to fix it. So boom, Prima, we did it. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. So that is it, you guys. It's finally fixed. I'm like looking at it and I'm like, but it looks, honestly, it looks way better than it missing like an M. You know what I mean? Like, it looks way better, you guys, to be honest. So now, you know, now you guys know what to do. If you guys ever come across this problem, if you do buy this mirror, just be aware that any little damn spray will at least erase your logo. And damn, yeah, guys. So now you guys kind of have an idea. And I do want to thank my cousin, Prima Jenny. Thank you so much. She's the one that actually had this idea of how to fix it. Because honestly, guys, like, I didn't even know what the hell to do. I'm like, you know, should I mark it up or something? But she's the one that, you know, had this idea, since she does work, you know, with, you know, these decals. Is that what they're called? Like a decals? So yeah, so thanks to her idea, guys, my mirror is like looking nice now. The logo does not look ugly no more. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, welcome to all the new people on here. We are almost at 800 subscribers. Oh my lord, you guys. We're almost gonna get a 1K, okay? Let's cross fingers, okay, guys? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.